Hello everyone, welcome back on Nested Mango, and today we are going to talk about from one course, one video, that is I think course is Unity Multiplayer Photon Fusion 2 game development course. So basically in this video we have integrated the Photon Voice 2 with the Fusion 2. So basically I got one feedback and message from my one student. He was saying that whenever he tried to create the build for the Android and whenever he is running, so voice says chat is not working, like there is just some noise, there is some echo. So he messaged me and then I just fixed that issue and he just performed that thing. So basically I'm going to share with you that what are the changes you can perform so that it will work perfectly. And I'm also getting positive and negative feedback, so it is the nature of the course that few people will love it, few people will complain it. And I was getting requests like which kind of feedback I have got. Like some people are saying that I have not explained about the RPC, or some people are saying that I am just resolving the issue on the video. So basically I want to clarify this thing. So basically I got feedback from you guys and on the basis of that I perform. So basically in case of like people are saying that I am resolving the issue on the call, because many student told me to just perform issue resolution on the video so that they understand that how they can approach the problem. And it is the fact and reality. If you are new on the development, so you might be asked that yeah, it is totally rubbish talk, but if you are experienced, if you have worked in the game development or any technology, so you'll know that some task or something can be happen in the seconds, but some task can be take you a days or week or months. So basically this was my real approach, that how we approach as a development. Because when we install the SDK and we try to write the code, but sometimes it does not work as we want. So we have to see the things, we have to take the approach that how we are going to resolve that thing. So you have to understand that thing. And few people told me that I did not explain the RPC. So basically I had explained the RPC basic stuff, and RPC is everywhere, is the same. Like if anybody have done on any multiplayer networking solution like Pun2 or anywhere, and in the Fusion 2 RPC does not play a very much important role, but you can say RPG is similar. But in some cases if we want to sync on the network, so we use the RPC, and it is the same RPC everywhere, just flow is different, like who is firing and who is going to get that RPC, that is the flow. So basic stuff I have explained. And if somebody want to show the frustration, so they can show me on the feedback, there is no any issue with it. But if you want real solution, so you have to share the proper review, as well as you have to also message me that what the issue you are facing. Because I am your educator, I am your instructor. So if you are getting stuck anywhere or something is not very clear to you, so you can message me. And many students do this, like Nick message me, or there are so many students perform the message on the Discord, and then I come with the solution that what they can use, what they can apply. Like I have performed many videos, like you can see in this video I have added one more videos because people were really confused that how they can test on the meta avatars. So basically when I get the proper review, because I am the developer, you are the developer, and sometimes we don't know that what the other person was the student are getting understand. Because I am the developer, I have done 1000 times, so it is just my brain do without any you can say any force or any work. So basically you have to tell me that what you are getting stuck. And there are so many reviews are really positive and few review was negative, so that I wanted to share. And let me proceed with the what we want to make you understand. So basically this is our project, and what we were facing, like he told me that whenever he created the build and run with the 2-player, so he was facing the echo. So I performed the thing on here. so that I can share with you that what we have make the changes. And basically this project you can also get on the my Patreon page, so you can just go and check out the full project you can get. And after the fixing, I performed the mobile controller, you know very well, so that project I have also provided. So what the changes we had made, so basically you know this is the recorders, okay, and in last we had uses the Unity, so that was not working perfectly, so we have to make few changes, so you have to just listen me very carefully. So here what we did, we performed the Unity to Photon, so now it is the Photon, okay. And make sure that this thing is okay, like you have to enable AEC, AGC, enable that NS, okay. And if you are creating with the iOS, so make sure that these are the setting. And after that few stuff you can add, like we have added the WebRTC audio DSP, okay, and make sure that enable AEC is enable, and this stuff is okay. And few stuff I have also changed, like here you can see that is the frame duration is 20 ms, great, and sampling rate I have increased around 48,000, so you can also see that this setting is matching with you, okay. And not very much changes on here as well as let's check any changes I have made on the player. So I think we have not made any changes here, so that was all changes on the scene, okay, nothing changed was here. And in the recorder we had make the changes, and here is our recorder, here is our speaker. So on speaker, if you want to perform the 360 voice, like if some player is coming towards you and you want to feel that somebody is coming closer to you, so at that time you have the spatial blend, that is priority, volume, stereo blend, so you can move on one. If it is not proper, so you can just do on the 0.9 or 0.8. in the case if you want to it is the 360, and in case you want to perform 0, so that will be the same voice whatever your player is there, but in case you want to 360, so at that time you have to use this thing. And in sometimes on the one you listen a very low sound, but in case if you are going on the 0.9 or 0.8, so you will listen a proper voice. Sorry. And make sure that volume is also on the 1, so that is perfect, and nothing to change here, make sure it is 200. And after that, how you have to create the build, because you have sent the APK build, that was not okay, because he have just created the build. So for the creating the build in the Android, what you have to do, you have to go here and make sure that you are on the Android, go on the player setting and give your company name or whatever you want to give, and product name, and on the basis of that your package name will be created. Whenever you are going to create any build on the Android, it should be there. And after that, orientation is important. So whenever you are going to perform this kind of game, you have to decide that your game is going to be in the portrait mode or landscape mode. On the basis of that, you have to choose default orientation. So by default I have choose the landscape left, okay, and you can also perform the auto rotation, but most of time it is landscape left or right, or sometimes portrait. So this is the mainly getting used. And after that, make sure that you have given the package name. So basically sometimes if you have the override, so all the things will be here, okay. So package name is we have performed whatever name, on the basis of that it come like com.company and then product name. And there are so many stuff, it is on the optimization. So I have covered on the optimization on my YouTube channel. You can check out that thing, because that is a great part, that will be take the few lecture and that will be a really deep. So hopefully this thing will resolve that thing. And after that you have to just create the build, you have to give the APK name, and after that your APK will start working. I have created already, might be I will provide the link, okay, so you can check that thing, or in case you can also create your build and test that how it is working. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your love and support. And due to the lack of time, I'm really very busy on client's project, and due to that I'm not getting time to create the tutorials or courses. So I'm really very sorry, and soon I will be free. I will plan my time so that I can give on my social media too. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your love and support, and check out me on my social media as well as Discord channel. And if you get any problem, you stuck anywhere, so message me on the Discord. I will try to reply as soon as possible. If there will be something complicated, time taking, so we can book the session and help you on that too. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.